What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Pepe, which has hit a green candle today. However, over the last few days it has been dipping quite a bit guys, hitting red candles. So we're going through what is next for Pepe. Again, as you guys can see, over the last month approximately it has taken quite a huge hit. Is this a crypto still worth investing into? And if so, is now the right time? Should you wait for it to drop down further? Should you sell it? Should you buy it? Or should you simply hold on to it? So we are going to be covering buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction for overall in 2024, how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Pepe, which is here in purple. However, the crypto is trading at a lower value here in red, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. But this has been the case over the last couple of weeks. As you guys can see here, it's been up and down from the MACD indicator. However, right now it has taken quite a hit that it's much lower than where it's meant to be, but we'll be going through that later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Pepe over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason being is guys, the crypto has taken quite a hit right now, pumping back up in value, and it is likely to hit more. Well, I'm not saying it's going to be a major drop or a major crash or anything like that. It is likely to be very minimal, but again, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point from my prediction does seem to be slightly more on the negative side, meaning minimal drops in value are expected. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, so over the next 7 to 8 days towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Pepe to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value. Reason being is, as you guys can see, it has been very volatile, especially over the week. It has dropped 30% in value, so I'm expecting it to go for a minimal increase in value. Again, as you guys can see, the orange line is looking quite bullish here, heading towards a positive direction, and the blue line is looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what this could potentially mean for Pepe is an overall fluctuation in value over the next 7 to 8 days, so fluctuating at its current price range. However, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, with the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, I'm expecting this to have a positive impact on the crypto market in general, but that does not necessarily mean that it will have an impact on Pepe. Reason being is, Pepe is not closely linked to Bitcoin like majority of the cryptocurrencies out there, so I'm not expecting any major effect on Pepe from the Bitcoin halving. Now moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks guys, 6 to 8 weeks, early to mid June 2024. So by this time we would be in mid-year. I'm expecting Pepe to have taken quite a hit. Reason being is, It's pumped up like crazy, as you guys can see here, back in February and March as well, and right now it's slowly starting to hit red candles, and I'm expecting it to hit more red candles, dropping down. Well, I would say crash, but I don't really want to use that because it's not going to be a crash out of nowhere. It's going to be spread across the next 2 to 3 months, hitting red candles and dropping at a much lower value than where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting from Pepe. But if there are any changes to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. But again, as I mentioned, at the moment an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting, and Pepe is a crypto that I'll keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale to see where we are at with Pepe right now. We are at its resistance level here. Again, I'm expecting it to pump back into the blue zone over the coming days and then dropping back down into the dark green zone towards the end of April, into the green zone May, and back down into the red zone by mid-year is what my expectations are at the moment. Yes, even with the Bitcoin halving, I'm expecting the crypto to hit more red candles. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped down by 37% in the last 24 hours, making it $987 million in trading, which is again still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Pepe, even after the dips and so on. Earlier yesterday, the trading volume was over $1.6 billion, guys, which is absolutely crazy, especially for a crypto like this. For those of you asking, have I invested or will I be investing into the crypto? Not at all. Reason being, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, I'm expecting it to hit more red candles, meaning I will be staying away from the crypto at the moment. But who knows? If I do invest, then I will let you guys know, but at the moment I'm staying away from the crypto. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting Pepe to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are still bullish or still bearish on this crypto. Comment down below how many zeros can this crypto get rid of in 2024, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, because I'm not expecting it to get rid of any zeros at all at the moment. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. If you guys do have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. Or you can also send them to me on Instagram DM, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. And yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff. And I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.